Real-time collaboration in Soundtrap is a little bit different from things like Google Docs that you may be used to. It is very important that you save any changes that you make. So for example, right now I have not saved since I recorded my audio. When I look at this through the other person's view, all they see is my recording. They don't see the music that I've added. That's because I have not saved the project. If I go in and save the project, you will notice that there is now a sync button here in my collaborators view. It's really important that if you're doing real-time collaboration, you have this collaborator view open so that you can always sync the changes. So that if I, as a collaborator, go in here and I put in a new track and I hit save, now I'll be able to see that change and sync it. So it's very different from Google Docs. You do have to save and sync to be able to work that real-time collaboration. However, you can also chat and you can actually do video calls as well.